Good morning, I'm Marta Portales Oliva, researcher at the Journalism Department and Communication Sciences of the Autonomous University of Barcelona. In this video, I am presenting the paper made under the collaboration of Dr. Santiago Tejedor, researcher and teacher at the same department, and Dra. Silvia Puello of the Applied Languages, Translation and Education Department of the European University of the Atlantic. The document has been published by the journal Revista Latina de Comunicación Social and has the following title: Web 2.0 and Informational Treatment in the Principal Spanish Magazines of Scientific and Pseudoscientific Contents. The research analyzes the usage of Web 2.0 resources and the informative treatment of 6 printed magazines categorized as scientific and pseudoscientific by OJD 2016. Young Spanish individuals, ranging between 15 and 24 years old, are the ones showing greater interest in science and technology, according to FECIT 2017. To get informed about these topics, they mainly access Internet. They use social networks and audiovisual contents available on the net to get informed. However, consultation of specialized publications has reduced. Therefore, several research questions arise. Have these printed media adapted to the Web 2.0? What informative attributes and source typology predominate in their online content? The research of exploratory nature uses a methodology based on the quantitative and qualitative content analysis. We study and describe the magazine's digital ecosystem and 232 online publications of different nature. These units of analysis belong to a probabilistic sample, selected in a random manner out of a universe of 1,434 publications coming from these magazines' webs and Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and Instagram accounts. The online presence in this multitude of platforms differs. The social media presence is led by National Geographic and Muy Interesante. Results show that use of 2.0 resources is basic in all magazines, and that communicative features of social networks are barely exploited. Specifically, 22% of the analysis units show hashtags, while the inclusion of emoticons is almost non-existent, appearing only in 3% of publications. The use of links to scientific institutions or individuals through mentions, or URLs, are scarce, both in Facebook and in Twitter. Only 1% of tweets have mentions. Numerous images are used. 90% of analysis units are illustrated. However, news are not usually accompanied by videos, infographics or other kind of resources promoting interactivity. Only 2 of the 220 publications have videos included in the post, excluding contents published on YouTube. The incorporation of infographics or statistic materials is scarce. Only 2% have these kinds of images inside the news content. Regarding the use of links, the most of magazines promote their own content. Nevertheless, in the main text of the news, National Geographic and Investigación y Ciencia promote external links. Regarding the online business promotion, we detected that only 17% of online posts invite purchasing the analogic edition. Regarding the topics published, each magazine specializes in a different area. Año Cero and Enigmas talk about themes closer to pseudoscience, alien and paranormal, or cultural and religious respectively. On the other hand, National Geographic covers aspects about biology, travels and geography, and Investigación y Ciencia mainly talks about purest sciences, medicine, physics, chemistry and mathematics. The online information treatment presents a need of improvement. More news should be accompanied by their authorship and the source of images should be more often captioned. In conclusion, the study mentions the need of improving the adaptation of these publications to the features of the digital scenario in order to, on one hand, generate more eloquent, profitable and persuasive informative messages for Internet users, and on the other hand, offer a more interesting environment at a communicative and business level.